Powering up in the morning, you just engage by turning the all stop. It'll boot itself. After a moment, you'll be able to start the hydraulics. And then there's a door interlock light that has to be satisfied. By pressing that, anytime we've maxed out, opened up a door or wheel cover, that will fire, so it'll prevent the machine from being able to be run. On the control cabinet, you have a touch screen. Within that, there are jobs. Right now, there are jobs 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, and 12 that are highlighted as though they're going to run them. This was in a pre-test mode, this machine. It's a PA18. It's the same control on all the PA series. So if I want to discontinue one of those jobs, all I got to do is make them white or light. And I can go up, there are 20 of these different jobs that are available. And say I've got them satisfied like they are here now, I can highlight them and go clear, and it wipes out the jobs that were already cut. That gives me the ability to go ahead and change them at any time. To change them, I can simply go and highlight. It comes up with the previous value. I write over it 20 inches. I hit enter, and it finishes it as 20 inches. But let's say I need 10 pieces. I hit enter, and then I have 10 pieces. Now I can run that job. It's ready to rock and roll. To the side, there's a switch called manual and auto. If I put it into the auto section, all the lights have to be satisfied. For instance, this one has to be lit and this one before I can start the saw. Now if I attempt to do so, it's going to give me an error message. And that error message is saying that the front vice jaw isn't clamped. So all I have to do is switch it back to the manual mode. Manual is the operation of the control, not functioning it in manual. That's single cut. Now I can go ahead and close the vise off against itself. Now I can switch it back to auto, hit the erase, or just return and hit my start cut. And it will initiate the cycle as it's now zeroing the shuttle. We don't have any material in the saw at the moment, just so we can highlight things quickly. So the length that's been programmed on this is 20 inches, and there are 10 pieces. It will do the finished cut like it is right now, trimming. If I didn't want to trim, I'd leave it in the no trim mode, and this will count that piece. If I go yes, it would then put it into the cycle, and we'd, instead of cutting 10 pieces, we'd have 11 cuts. Work light, all controlled from the control panel. If there's an issue or I'm not happy with something, I can just hit the frame up button, and it will take it out of its automatic cycle but not lose its place. I can also hit the E-stop, which will kill the power but not kill the program that we've programmed. And I can put a series of these together. I can highlight as many as 20 different lengths and quantities. That's the PA control series.